everyone, Nicole with CellBotics. So I thought it'd be fun to make a video about my morning routine and just so you can get to know us a little bit better, each of the trainers. Maybe they'll do it, I don't know. I'm pretty sure Michelle will. The other trainers are not too big about being online, so they're not on the YouTube channel. So I have some routines that I follow that I feel like really help me be successful and have really got me to where I am. Besides the fact that I try to surround myself with people that are better than me, that know more than me, and that I ask questions and that I'm open to learning and investing in myself, which is something I do all the time. There are some just personal things that I do that I thought that maybe some of you might be interested in. Some of you might say this is a stupid video idea, please don't do this again. And that's okay. Some of you might enjoy this. My morning routine is probably the biggest deal to me. I am a morning person. I enjoy getting up really early. I will wake up and the first thing that I do while I'm getting ready, like normal people do, I will pop on YouTube and I will listen to Abraham Hicks or Tony Robbins. So I'm actually a big follower of something called the Law of Attraction, and I attribute a lot of my success to the teachings of that and me being able to follow those teachings and implement things in my life, and it's completely changed who I was and who I am now. Things don't affect me badly. You know, if something doesn't go my way, I just say, well, it's not for me, and I just kind of move on to the next thing. I don't get upset, I don't get angry. Normally I can keep my cool in situations. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know, but so the Law of Attraction really helps me with that. A lot of people listen to music. If music makes you feel good, then that's good too. Some of you just like to be in the quiet. I like to get motivated for the day and contemplate life and things like that. I am a lifetime learner. I love to learn every day. I love to learn something new. So if we're giving class, I will run to the kitchen, grab something to eat, grab my coffee, grab my little notebook, and run out the door because we have to be there so early to get ready. When I'm not training, I come to my home office, right? So I walk into my home office, I'll bring maybe my breakfast with me or whatever. And then I have this little book. So this is actually a new book. I just switched it out because my other book ran out of pages. But I'll grab a book like this. This is my new book, which I really like because it's got like stars and stuff on it. And you probably don't know, but I'm like a complete nerd when it comes to like outer space. Like I love stars and the moon and planets. Many times I just sit outside at night and stare up at the sky. I don't know, I just absolutely love it. And so I really like this one. My little nephew got a hold of it and drew on it, but that's okay. It's kind of like his signature, and I love him, so that's okay. I recently switched to a green pen because green is for money. I'm not going to show you exactly what I write. So I'll open a page and I'll jot down the date, and I'll put things like, I am a high income earner, I love what I do, my family and myself are healthy, I make money from income, from home, I earn income and I'm able to pay all my bills and buy extra things very easily. And I do this every day, and while I'm writing it, I go with the energy of what I'm writing. So like it gets me excited to say that I love my life and my life is amazing, and I like feel that through my whole body, and I really soak it up and I keep writing, and if anything flows to me, I'll just write that down, and I do that for a few minutes, and then I close up the book. And then I have these little boxes that I buy. I actually pulled one out before, so I'm just gonna, and I really loved it, but I'll just like randomly, you know, I'll just open it and randomly pull one out, and then I open it and then I read it, right? And so this one is, each moment is a place you've never been. I love that. See, things like that is just like, yeah, that is so true, and how great is that, you know? So, you know, I'll actually, I want to keep this one out because I really like it. So I'll do that, and then I'll maybe go check my email, messages. I'll check the stocks. You know, I'm kind of into stocks and forex, so I'll do that. Post ads if I'm looking to post ads for repair. We do have a lot of commercial repair accounts, so I don't actually have to place ads. They just send us repairs. So back in the day though, before we had commercial accounts, that was like probably the first thing I did was post ads on Facebook, you know, Instagram, and you know, Craigslist, like all down the list, placing ads everywhere every day to try to generate repairs. Okay. Also, just one more thing, I'm going to list below some books and different videos that I watch. I think you'll enjoy that. I'm gonna make another video about making a vision board. I'm very big on vision boards. I look at that every day as well. It's like right in front of me, and I just will scan through those things to remind myself that's what I'm working towards. So if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe and comment below if you have an idea of something else that you'd like us to make videos of. I am self-quarantined and I would love to make videos, but I am running out of ideas. So please comment any questions that you have, even if it's something about personal or if it's related to the repair industry or business or something, and let us make you a video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and like and subscribe, and everybody stay inside and try to stay as healthy as possible. All right, take care.